17. Now we're getting into the super hard ones. You travel to the SAT prep session that your parents have made you take at 10 miles per hour. So I go to the prep session, 10 miles per hour, and I travel home over the same route at 15 miles per hour. We travel back home 15 miles per hour. If the round trip takes you 1 hour, then what's the distance from your home to the prep class? So I can let X represent the distance. So again, before diving into the problem, let's see if this happens to give us any information. The round trip is 1 hour. So what does that really mean? That really means that the time there plus the time back is equal to 1 hour. Well, we need to somehow find a relationship between distance, speed, and time. And all you have to do is realize that when you drive a car, the units are miles per hour, and that's the speed. So what is miles, really? Miles is distance, hours is time, and that equals speed then. So we want to get the time there. Well, to get the time, we need to solve for time. So it looks like I can multiply both sides by t. I can divide both sides by s. And I get the relationship that the time is the distance over the speed. The distance is x. Actually, let me write it over here. So the time is distance over speed. We have distance of x. We have speed of 10 miles per hour. Going back, our distance is still x because you're taking the same route. And the speed is now 15 miles per hour. Beautiful. We just wrote down what we were told, and we found an equation which we're going to be able to solve to get x. So how do you solve this equation? Yes, I know you can use your calculator, or let's do it the old-fashioned way. We want to find a common denominator. So use 30 as the common denominator. Multiply this guy by 3 over 3. This guy needs a 2 over 2. So we now have 3x over 30 plus 2x over 30 is equal to 1. We have the same denominator. So what we can do now is combine those guys to give us 5x over 30. That equals 1. 5 over 30 is just 1 over 6. So if x over 6 is 1, then what's x have to equal? That's right, 6. Or choice A in these two values, 7 and 11. Now our goal is to somehow solve